everyone, my name is Ling. Today I'm going to teach you topic 7, unit 7.3 about subtracting mixed numbers. This is actually going to be very easy. So, you already know that you can only subtract fractions when the denominators are the same, right? So, you can see that mixed numbers, the denominators are different. So, you must write the fractions as equivalent fractions with a common denominator so you can subtract the numerators. So, there is a method for subtracting mixed numbers, and I'll show you. There are 3 ways to do this. There are 3 steps to do this. The first one is you have to change each mixed number into an improper fraction. Pretend 2 and 1 over 4 is a mixed number, right? So if you wanted to change it into an improper fraction, you have to change it. So it would be 9 over 4. 9 over 4 is an improper fraction, and that's how you change mixed numbers into an improper fraction, right? So the second thing that you have to do is subtract the improper fractions and cancel its order to its simplest form. Like pretend that your answer would be 10 over 5, right? But it's not at its simplest form. So you have to change it to its simplest form, and it will be 2 or 5 or 2 over 1, but it's still 2. Okay, so 3 is that if the answer is like an improper fraction, you have to change it back to a mixed number so it would be easier. Okay, so now what we're going to do is that I'll give you some examples first. Okay, so I will try to. So what you're going to have to do is that you have to subtract 3, 1, and 5 minus 1, 4, and 5. So you can see here that both of these numbers aren't really improper fractions. So what you have to do is that you have to change both the mixed numbers into improper fractions, which would be 3 and 1 over 5 would be 16 over 5 minus by 9 over 5. So you can see that these numbers, the denominator is also is 5, and they're both the same, so you just have to subtract by both of these numbers, which would be 7. So the answer would be 7 over 5. Easy, right? Yeah, it's really easy. So I will try to give you another example that is that the denominator isn't really the same, it's different. So what I will give you is that 6, 1 over 3 minus 2 and 4 over 9. So you can see that 2 of these numbers, wait, let me show you. That 2 of these numbers aren't really improper fractions. So what you're going to have to do is that you have to change both the mixed numbers into improper fractions. But this time, the denominator isn't really the same, so you have to subtract you have to change the mixed numbers. You have to subtract the fractions, and you have to use the lowest common denominator of 9, which is 9, right? So the answer is an improper fraction, so you have to change it back to a mixed number. But first, we will do it first. So 6 1 over 3 would be 19 over 3 minus 22 over 9, which would be 57 over 9 minus 22 over 9. And after this, you will calculate it the same, which would be 35 over 9. But 35 over 9, the answer is like an improper fraction, right? So every time when you take a mixed number and you divide it to another mixed number, you can't really write the answer with an improper fraction. You have to change it into a mixed number so it would be the answer. So 35 over 9 would be 3 and 8 over 9. So that's your answer. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.